Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the glamorous world of Bollywood's very own Sara Ali Khan. Known for her charming persona and impeccable style, Sara has quickly become a fashion icon in her own right. She effortlessly blends trends with her unique touch. Let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic fashion choices. Sara's casual looks frequently include denim, whether it's a pair of well-fitted jeans, a denim jacket, or shorts. She pairs them with casual tops, crop tops, or oversized sweatshirts, reflecting her laid-back and easygoing style. Being a fitness enthusiast, the actress often incorporates athleisure into her wardrobe. Comfortable leggings, sports bras, and sneakers are her go-to for gym sessions or casual outings, blending functionality with style. She also experiments with boho chic styles, including flowy dresses, off-shoulder tops, and ethnic prints, often paired with accessories like bangles and earrings to complete the look. Whether it's a short, flirty dress or a sophisticated evening gown, she knows how to make a statement. She opts for designs that range from minimalistic and structured to bold and embellished, often adding her unique touch with accessories or hairstyles. Her fashion-forward approach also includes stylish jumpsuits and coordinated sets. These looks are often edgy and modern, showcasing her versatility and confidence. Adding a touch of sophistication, Sara occasionally opts for tailored blazers and pantsuits, embodying a powerful and chic look. She balances these structured pieces with softer makeup and minimal jewelry. This classic combination is a staple in Sara's wardrobe. She mixes vibrant kurtis with casual jeans, creating a perfect fusion of Indian and Western styles. This look is often complemented with jhumkas and kolhapuri sandals. The actress enjoys experimenting with crop tops paired with flowing palazzo pants or skirts, blending comfort with a modern twist on traditional silhouettes. These outfits are often accessorized with chunky jewelry and minimalistic makeup. Her red carpet appearances are marked by glamorous gowns from top designers. These gowns often feature intricate beadwork, dramatic silhouettes, and luxurious fabrics, making her a showstopper. She opts for more understated yet elegant outfits that highlight her natural beauty. These might include a classic black dress, a sleek pantsuit, or a satin evening dress, paired with subtle jewelry and sophisticated hairdos. From statement jhumkas with traditional attire to delicate necklaces with Western outfits, her jewelry is always on point. She also loves wearing chunky bracelets and rings that add a touch of personality to her looks. Her footwear choices range from traditional jute tees and sandals with ethnic wear to trendy sneakers and stilettos with casual and formal outfits. Her makeup is usually kept natural and fresh, highlighting her youthful and radiant skin. She experiments with bold lip colors and smoky eyes for evening looks, while her daytime looks are more subtle and fresh. Her hairstyles range from simple ponytails and beach waves to intricate updos, always complementing her outfit. She carries these colors with confidence, making them a central part of her look. For party wear, Sara often goes for metallics and sequins. These fabrics add a touch of glam and shine, perfect for evening events and parties. She pairs these outfits with high heels and statement clutches. The classic LBD is a staple in her wardrobe for a reason. It's versatile, elegant, and perfect for almost any event. She adds her twist with bold accessories or a pop of color through her shoes or bags. The actress embraces colorful bikinis, flowy kaftans, and sarongs. Her beach looks are often accessorized with wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and minimalistic jewelry, perfect for a relaxed and stylish vibe. For her travel outfits, the actress prefers comfy yet chic options like oversized hoodies, leggings, and easy-going dresses. Her airport looks often include casual footwear like sneakers or slides, paired with spacious handbags or backpacks. She opts for lightweight dresses, shorts with cute tops, or relaxed trousers paired with stylish blouses. These outfits are perfect for exploring new places while staying comfortable and fashionable. Being a proud ambassador of Lucknow's famous chicken curry work, the actress frequently opts for elegant chicken curry kurtas and anarkalis. These outfits are often in pastel shades, exuding grace and subtlety, paired with delicate jhumkas and bangles. She enjoys mixing traditional pieces with modern elements. This could mean pairing a lehenga skirt with a crop top or wearing a traditional dupatta with jeans and a top, creating unique and fashionable looks. The actress opts for beautifully embroidered salwar kameez, shararas, or ghagras. These outfits are often in rich, festive colors like deep reds, greens, and golds, adorned with traditional jewelry. From PVC dresses to metallic suits, Sara explores unconventional materials that make a strong fashion statement. These choices highlight her adventurous spirit and willingness to push fashion boundaries. She often opts for asymmetrical cuts and unusual silhouettes that break the conventional norms. These outfits are unique and striking, making her stand out in a crowd. The actress loves playing with bold prints and patterns, from abstract designs to animal prints. She balances these busy patterns with solid colors or minimalist accessories to keep the look cohesive. Sara collaborates with renowned designers like Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Abujani Sandeep Khosla, and Manish Malhotra for her couture looks. These gowns are often dramatic, featuring elaborate embroidery, voluminous skirts, and rich fabrics. She often draws inspiration from the latest runway trends, incorporating them into her wardrobe with her personal touch. This could be through exaggerated sleeves, feathered details, or sculptural elements. The beauty loves making a statement with her outfits, whether it's through oversized bows, cascading ruffles, or dramatic capes. These pieces add an element of surprise and excitement to her red carpet appearances. For most of her daytime looks, the actress prefers a natural and fresh makeup style. She often highlights her clear skin with minimal foundation, a touch of blush, and nude lip colors. Her hair is usually styled in soft waves or a simple ponytail. For evening events and red carpet appearances, she opts for more glamorous makeup, including bold eyeliner, smoky eyes, and vibrant lip colors. Her hair might be styled in an elegant updo or sleek, straightened look. Sara enjoys experimenting with her makeup for photo shoots and special events. This includes trying out different eye makeup trends, like colored liners or glitter, and playful lip shades. Her hair could be styled in retro curls, braids, or even adorned with accessories. From bold earrings to chunky bracelets, her jewelry choices often reflect the theme of her outfit. She balances statement pieces with simpler attire and uses delicate jewelry to add a touch of elegance to more elaborate ensembles. Her handbag collection is diverse, featuring everything from luxurious designer bags to quirky clutches. These pieces add a functional yet stylish element to her outfits. Her footwear choices are equally versatile, ranging from traditional jutis and kolhapuris with ethnic wear to sleek stilettos and trendy sneakers with western outfits. She often matches her shoes to her outfit's vibe, whether it's casual, formal, or festive. During the summer, Sara opts for light, breathable fabrics and bright colors. Her summer wardrobe includes floral dresses, breezy maxi dresses, and playful shorts, perfect for beating the heat in style. For the colder months, the beauty layers up with cozy sweaters, stylish overcoats, and chic boots. She adds scarves, hats, and gloves to her winter outfits, creating a look that's both warm and fashionable. Her style is practical yet trendy. She opts for waterproof jackets, rubber boots, and easy-to-dry fabrics, ensuring she stays stylish even in the rain. Her red carpet looks are often marked by flowing gowns in classic silhouettes. She prefers timeless colors like black, white, and red, enhanced with intricate detailing like lace, embroidery, or beadwork. She also enjoys playing with dramatic silhouettes for a more impactful appearance. This includes gowns with long trains, voluminous skirts, or off-shoulder designs, adding a touch of drama to her look. The actress draws inspiration from vintage fashion for her red carpet looks. This could be in the form of retro hairstyles, classic makeup, or old Hollywood-style gowns, adding a timeless elegance to her modern persona. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.